Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department Admission Ceremonies for today, Monday, September 11th. Ms. Guerrero?
May it please the court, good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to the Sports Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present the court 44 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. So in anticipation of this motion, the members of the panel met earlier today. We reviewed the recommendation, we reviewed the applicants, and we have decided to grant the motion. As usual, Ms. Guerrero, I want to thank you and your staff for the Herculean task that you provide. The attorneys who work pro bono without fee, without compensation, especially. So thank you again for all your hard work. At this time, the clerk of the court, Ms. Susana Rojas, will deliver the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying "I do" if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. Please mute your mics and lower your right hand. Thank you.
Attorneys, you guys are attorneys now. Congratulations to all of you. It is the practice of this court that on such an auspicious occasion, one of the members of the bench deliver remarks to you. At this time, that falls to my esteemed colleague, Justice David Friedman. Justice Friedman?
Thank you, Justice Weber. To begin, I want to congratulate and welcome the new lawyers who have just been admitted to the bar of the state of New York, and also to congratulate their families and friends who have helped them on their journey to this day. I know that this is a very special day for all of you, as it should be. Your presence here today is the culmination of many years of extraordinary effort and sacrifice by you and your loved ones. Each of you met the difficult challenges that were presented and have earned the right to be admitted to the bar. You and your families should be very proud. I share your excitement in today's ceremony. Although it has been many years since I was admitted, I can still remember my admission ceremony as if it were only yesterday. The experience remains with me. It was the moment that I began a legal career that has always been exciting and challenging. Since that time, my reverence for the practice of law has only increased. The pandemic from which we have emerged and the technological innovations that the courts and lawyers use to avoid some of its effects highlight the fact that change is a constant in the legal world in the 21st century. A successful legal career involves frequent adaptation to new and unexpected circumstances in technology, in society, and in the law itself. As President Lincoln wrote in 1862, we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. It is my fervent hope that each of you, new members of the bar, will rise with the occasion and meet all of the challenges that the future is sure to bring. You should also bear in mind that it is a good idea to always act with common decency. Do unto other lawyers as you would have them do unto you. Decency and love thy neighbor do not seem to be rules of practice for a profession where the motto usually is that the only thing that matters is to win. The facts are that they are valuable rules of practice. Reputations are established and usually rapidly. It is hard to change a bad reputation, and a lot of benefits flow from having a good one. As new attorneys, develop your craft. Immerse yourself in all facets of the area you are working in. If you are a trial lawyer, go and watch the performance of some of the great ones. Not only will it be entertaining, it will also be educational. I would remind you that although you have graduated law school, passed the bar, and have become lawyers, your legal education has only just begun. You will be required over the next few years to absorb a tremendous amount of knowledge. While this will certainly be challenging, I would like to tell you that these years will be some of the most exciting in your career. Relish every moment and learn all you can learn. Eventually, your career will take you to a crossroads at which you will want to stop, reflect, and measure your success as a lawyer. How will you do that? Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, in a private letter to Justice Cardozo, wrote that the measure of success is not the power, place, prestige, or prominence a person achieves, but rather the trembling hope of striving each day to attain cherished ideals. Sounding a similar note, Justice Cardozo himself called upon lawyers to adopt what he called the true spirit of the bar. Giving full scope to his characteristic eloquence, Justice Cardozo imparted the following ringing message to the new lawyers of his day. Now it lies with you to uplift what is low, to erase what is false, to redeem what has been lost, till all the world shall see, and seeing shall understand, that union of the scholar's thought and the mystic's yearning, the knight's ardor and the hero's passion, which is still, in truest moments of expression, the spirit of the bar. Make that your spirit of the bar in whatever field you choose to practice, and you will go far. Congratulations again, and best of luck. My remarks are concluded.
Thank you very much, Justice Friedman. And again, congratulations to you all. Thank you.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will log off, and all of the new attorneys will stay on with me. Have a good afternoon.